Hello, in this video I will show you how to add your Gmail to Apple Mail. So first step is open your mail application. Already there is one email existing here, but it's fine, we can configure multiple emails to Apple Mail. So let me show you. First go to mail, then go to accounts. So this is the email already existed there, let it be there. We have to use this plus button, click it here, then select Google. Then it will open a browser which we have to sign in here, then automatically it will come there. I will show you. So type your Gmail ID. Click next. Yes, you have to click allow. That's it. So now you can sync all these to Apple Mail. Normally I will put only, to show you I'm showing only mail, but you can tick everything here. Then click next. And that's it. Now we have our Gmail here. So let's close, go to Apple Mail. Then the email is showing here. So here inbox is showing all the emails together. You have to click mailboxes so that you will see emails separately. This is my another company email. This is Gmail. So this is how you can add email to your Apple Mail. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you. Thank you.